Back up. I'll go through the fence.
What is that? Huh? Hey, how you doing?
Hello, Mr. Bacon. Oh, your hair is so fine. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Barry.
Erwin Young.
Hi, Erwin.
Glad to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You gonna show us around?
Yeah, I thought if y'all wanted to look at the little babies we have hatching, no, look at those and then we'll go out and look at the big thing. There comes the rabbit out.
Yeah. So rabbits and pigs coexist, no problem so far?
So far.
We
just got the pig donated and we didn't have a place to put it, so we put it in the petting zoo. Okay, let's go in here and we'll check the little babies. Little South American caiman. You know, they have a little more of a pointed nose. Those are donated. People buy little ones as a pet, and when they get this big, they'll tear you up. Okay. Oops. See, if we could play that now in a little bit, we could call them mamas.
Really?
Yeah, because when they hear them making that noise, they come break the nest open. Now, these go in or come out of our incubator, but we can't hatch them naturally up here. Wow. They call that swamp ivory. I don't know if it's really ivory or not. You can probably get closer if you want to.
Now I can't help but notice that this guy's out here waiting amongst.
He's got a stick.
That seems like he's got a stick.
Stick next to the. Well, one comes after him and that'll bite the stick, and they don't like to bite sticks. They're not too smart. They'll bite whatever moves, but if they don't like it, they'll leave it alone. Oh, he got the. Well, he should get a bite of that. Oops, too late. He had his chance.
So you're going out there?
Yeah, we'll go out and see if we can catch a gator and bring it in, and we'll be bringing it in to right here.
And what should I do?
You want to go with us, or?
No, I'm wearing entirely the wrong socks.
So, what do you mean? What do you want to do?
Well, you know, if one charges me.
Oh, don't kick it.
Don't kick it.
It'll take your foot.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, no, throw something at him and then run.
Throw something at it and run.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we'll be back a little bit.
Throw something.
Can I borrow your stick?
can't help but notice that the fence is over there and we're over here on this side of it. I think they sense that I've got their back.
We don't have him help very good, so he could get loose anytime.
Oh, all right. So you're saying we should...
We're going to need some help on pulling him in. If any of you guys want to help us pull him in, a couple of guys.
Sure.
Grab a hold of the rope. Wrap it around your waist, maybe. This way.
Okay, everybody pull toward that center post. Wait a minute.
Which way?
Pull toward that center post.
Get a side
put
shot.
rope around it.
That rope around it?
Yeah. Okay, go. Oh, hold him. Wait a minute. Let's let him roll back. All right, we want to pull him far and go again. Everybody together, go. Go once more. All right, let's go. Now, tie that tight. Tight. Chuck, you'll have to get. You don't have it tight. Tie it tight.
Okay, it's got, you can't have any slack. Okay.
That rope's got to be totally tight. Charles, come around and hold his tail straight. Don't get close to him. Get away. That's too close.
Hitch it.
All right, hold his tail straight.
Hitch it.
He's new today. For now, I'll just show you. Don't get any closer than that line, Chuck. You were about right here.
Yeah.
See? I was about right here. The one come around and got me and threw me in that ditch this summer. I only got that part. I was glad to go. Okay, who wants to be first? You can. Right here.
All right. Is he pointing at me?
That's you, Barry.
Wait a minute now, don't turn loose till I come back and close his eyes. Walk right around this way.
All right. I wasn't paying totally close attention because I was scared.
Well, I'll
Okay.
Hey, I'll really show you. Come on in.
All right.
Come on, step across. Step across. Put your feet on up. Up. All right, and put your hands right here. Sit down on them. There you go. Now hold on. Okay. Now this guy's never been on a gator. Have you ever been on a gator?
No.
No. Okay. I think he would remember.
No, yeah, no, I haven't.
Did you get it, Tap?
Okay, hold on. No, I didn't.
I think she wants to try it again. Should we let it? Should we just let everybody else get off now, except him?
Yeah.
For a good single shot. Jump on in case the gator gets him.
Hey.
I got it.
Okay, got him.
Glad you didn't have to change film or anything.
Okay, now slide your hands back and keep it. You feel nervous. That makes him want to eat you.
He likes
Okay, go ahead and
like this.
Okay, next. Who's next?
Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, get off. Okay.
Go get him, John. Hey! Good job.
Well, you know, my pants were wet, and that's only because of the splashing as I walked up. So, and it just splashed right in the front, which I'm sure that happens all the time in the high stakes world of alligator wrestling.
That's how it's shaped. Certificate of bravery?
Yeah. Okay. Brave. The gator's gone now. Gator's gone.
Well, I'll tell you how we seal them. The way we stamp, we use those big ones. We put the certificate in their mouth and let them chomp down on it.
It's like a gator notary.
Okay, there you go.
that.